Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content. And if you guys enjoy those types of videos, please make sure to like this video and of course, subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. As you've seen by the title, I'm going to be installing this beautiful 5x5 HD lace, okay, HD lace. And it's a body wave wig from the brand Klaiyi. And I cannot wait for you guys to see me install this whole entire wig. But yeah, so now we're just gonna get started with this video. This gorgeous wig by Klaiyi is the 5x5 HD invisible lace closure wig, and it has a body wave, human hair, and it can melt into all skin types with the lace. And as you can see, I did bleach the knots, and the density is 180%, and the length of it is 26 inches, but it literally looks like it's 30 on me. Then I'm just taking an alcohol swab and just wiping all the excess oils off my forehead. Then I'm taking the Ebin Wonderlace Bond Spray, and this is my first time trying it, and y'all, it's so worth getting. I can see the huge difference between the 𝐏𝐑𝐿𝐒 and this one. And I wish I would have put more layers, because the more you put, the longer it'll last. And I did about 2 to 3 layers, but they were like very light layers, so I definitely recommend you guys doing like 5-6 layers of this. And you guys, this lace is so perfect and it's so easy to put on, and I love how it's literally invisible. You can barely see it on camera, and I didn't even cut the lace yet. Then I'm just gonna take this elastic band and just melt this lace, and I'm gonna leave it on for about 10 minutes or so. And while I'm leaving it on, I'm gonna show you guys the little goodies that I received. And this is what the box looks like, and what I received is a wig cap, which I have on right now, and I definitely prefer this color than the other colors that I have. And I received this, and I received eyelashes, and I received a beautiful cross necklace that I'm definitely going to wear because it's so pretty. And I did receive a little satin bag just to put in my wig instead of using the box. And the hair that I have is Brazilian, and look at the melt. Look at that melt. Oh my gosh, it's so nice, and I love it. I love laces like this. I love HD laces, invisible laces. It makes the hair look so realistic on you. And now I'm just cutting the excess lace off, and I prefer using these scissors instead of like using a razor, because I honestly do not see the difference when I use a razor. But yeah, I'm just cutting the excess lace off with those. Then I'm taking a cotton swab again just to take off the spray that's on my forehead, the leftover spray. And then I'm gonna melt my lace again just to make sure everything is laid. And now I'm gonna style my hair, and I am gonna do a side part. I was planning to do a middle part, but I'm always doing middle parts, and I just wanted to switch it up a bit. And I definitely love how the side part looks on me. I'm taking the 𝐿𝐿 wax stick just to make sure that no small hairs are sticking up, and this is just gonna help me also hot comb the area to where it'll look flat instead of poofy, because if it's looking poofy, then the hair is not gonna look realistic. It's gonna look off. So when I use a hot comb, it works amazing. When you use this, it's gonna look like the hair is coming from your scalp. It's gonna look like your hair. But everything that I'm using in this video will be listed down below: the hair, the tools, the products that I use. So do not forget to check out the description. And I had already put heat protectant in my hair just to straighten it after I washed it and everything, but I want to put more just because I am using a lot of hot tools. And even though it's a 100% real human hair wig, you still want to take care of it like it's literally your own hair. Then I am preparing to do the baby hairs, and I did this off camera. I was getting so frustrated. I'm still learning how to do them nice and natural looking. Like, I did good, but I know I can do better. Now I'm going to be doing the body wave or light curls. This didn't come out as I expected just because I ran out of hairspray, but this look still looks so freaking cute. It looks way more natural than I thought, and that's what I was going for anyway. But yeah, let me tell y'all, this holds a curl so nice. And I didn't even use hairspray, but just imagine if I used hairspray, it would have looked like so even more cuter. But yeah, this is like a light body wave curl type of look, which I really like. It looks like it's natural, like it's the natural curl of the hair, you know. So the way I'm curling this wig is that I'm curling it away from my face, because if I curl it from the opposite side to where I'm twisting, it's kind of gonna look weird in my opinion. And I decided just to curl it away from my face. I feel like it'll look better. And this is how the curl looks. It's a very light curl. I wish I would have had hairspray so bad, and I thought I did, but apparently the nozzle broke and I just ran out. So yeah, I'm just going to be using these little clips, and it's just gonna help hold the curl in place. And I'm just going to be doing the exact same thing. All I did was split my hair, or split it into 2 parts, then just took 5 pieces from each side and curled those 5 pieces, and just putting clips in them. And I let the clips sit in my hair until I was done doing my makeup, and that took about like an hour or so. But just know I added a lot of heat protectant oil, or you can use a spray if you want to, but an oil is like more moisturizing for the hair, so best believe I used a lot of it so this hair can last a very long time and that I wouldn't damage it. But some more information about the wig is that it came within like 5 business days from USPS, and this is the natural color of the wig, and it has no type of chemical process on it. So now I have all the hair curled up, and I'm just gonna get ready to do my makeup and show you guys the final results when I let the curls down. And this is the full entire look of this wig, and what do you guys think? Like, oh my gosh, I really love it. I truly love the feel of this hair. It feels like it's my hair. It feels so soft and fluffy and not stiff or like too heavy. It feels just right, and I love how it can hold a curl. It's like a wavy curl with certain wigs. Like once you curl it, it'll automatically go straight down. And this actually can hold a wave and a curl. And I have no hairspray in this because I ran out of hairspray. So yeah, all I have in it is heat protectant, and it still did the job. So yeah, I really love this wig. I rate it about a 9 out of 10 just because of the shedding. It sheds like minimal, but it's like a little bit more than minimal, but it's not like too much, but it's like a little bit more than minimal. But I just said that like twice, but whatever. But do not mind my baby hairs. I'm still learning how to do my baby hairs correctly. I'm still learning, but they're not that bad. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to join the Harmony. We're almost at 25k subscribers, and it means so much to me if you guys would subscribe to join the familia, join the Harmony. And yeah, so I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.